Hello guys, Flash here from Review. Today we're going to discuss about HOODRAT. This is a token on your Binance Smart Chain and it is pretty interesting. So let's get right into the video. So moving on to the website, so the next level token. If you're tired of saving whales, homeless dogs and the environment only to be rugged, scammed and robbed, so they are here and this is why they have created HOODRAT, providing their holders with a safe and fair coin in which they can invest and make actual money from. They don't aim to save the planet, the only person that should be saved is you. Okay, so moving on to the website, if we scroll down a bit, transparent right proof system, so 50% burnt at launch, locked liquidity, and whitelist at pre-launch to prevent liquidity dumping bots. Scalable solution, so with a cross-chain exchange in the works as well as implementing an anti-whale dump punishment system, the prospects for HOODRAT to grow are immense. And they are rewarding their holders, so by holding HOODRAT you can gain massive passive income thanks to the 5% redistribution fee that is giving to you every time a transaction occurs. Okay, so getting on to the tokenomics. So the total supply is 1 billion. There's a 5% burn and 5% distribution fee. 50% was burnt at launch. There's 10% locked supply. 5% is going to marketing and 35% is circulating. Moving on to the roadmap. So in May, they want a website and community building, marketing campaigns, coin audit, blockfolio listing, coin market cap listing, coin gecko listing, delta listing, and stockwidth listing. So basically in May, a lot of listings. In June, giveaways, HOODRAT merch, establishing influencer relations, more exchange listing, NFTs, and community MAs. In July, HOODRAT billboard in New York, so there's going to be a lot of publicity, sponsoring a rally race car. This is very interesting. And cross-chain exchange platform, Tesla giveaway and staking platform. In August, reinforcing influencer relations, advertisement blast all over the US, Asia, and Europe, scam and rug pull detecting bot, providing holders with a reference tool to use. And on the end result, with our help, HOODRAT can become the next level token to reach all-time highs without any BS. Join the movement and put an end to these scams once and for all. So taking a look at the BSC scan, they are currently sitting at almost 800 holders. I highly suggest you guys going and joining the Telegram group with over 1,600 members, as this community is very active, and if you need any help you can reach out to them. We can see here on the Excel app that the liquidity was locked. Quick disclaimer guys, this is not financial advice or anything. Do your own research before buying any of these shitcoins. I want to show you guys on how to buy HOODRAT using Pancake swap. So firstly, you need MetaMask or Trust wallet with BNB. After you have BNB in your wallet, go to the website, click on buy now. It will redirect you to Pancake swap. Just put in whatever amount you want to swap. So I put 0.1. After that, make sure the slippage tolerance is on 11%. Click swap and confirm swap. MetaMask will give you a notification and just confirm it. That being said, for this video guys, I think that HOODRAT is a really good token and it has a lot of potential in the near future. Please leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications, and I'll catch you guys onto the next one. Flash out.